What if everybody stopped doing everything and started just thinking about all the problems in the world? There would be no solutions. There would be nothing to distract us from the hard things. That doesn't keep you from, as a human, sending money to buy water. It doesn't keep you from showing up and sandbagging if somebody's house is going to flood. It doesn't keep you from doing the things. But your brand and acknowledging something that maybe is a global fight, unless your brand is about that global fight, you don't really have a dog in that fight.